Why would you need the straight-edged knife? So this is so that you can then start to cut more structured lines. So I can come off here and I'm using my ruler and I'm using my, oh, I should use that side really, shouldn't I? Let's use that side with the metal edge, and that's going to allow me to cut up to there. Now, I just went off my craft mat, so I can come back in here and catch back up just there. Oop. And if you've missed a little bit, like I have done, I'm going to come back in. If I turn my mat round that way, I can get the whole thing on in one go. There we are. Perfect. All the way down, I can feel that's in the groove. That's better. And we can cut it like that. Now, one of the other things I quickly wanted to show you is if you have got a scoreboard, you can even bring your scoreboard in and use that. I'm using my sharp one knife. I can even bring my scoreboard in to use to trim along here. So you can do it. Now, one of the top tips I would say for using your craft knife is to do smaller cuts. Oops, I'm doing it. Gentler cuts. Do it multiple cuts and you'll get a better cut. Don't try and press too hard in one go. Smaller, softer cuts will give you a better finish. And that is why you also need a craft knife.